Okay, so in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to make a list, an ordered and unordered list, how to write a bold or italic text, and how to add an image to your page. So let's start off by making another folder in this folder and have an image in there. I'm going to use this image. And in that folder, I want to add index.html and make the HTML 2.5 and change the title to my personal website, for example. And now in the body, I'm going to start off by making a pretty basic h1 tag with the title written in between, and maybe an h3 or h4 tag, that's the subtitle. I'm going to make this website as it is a template, but you could use it to make your own personal website. And maybe this paragraph that I'm adding right now could be your bio, for example. I'm cleaning this paragraph up. And let's go live so you can see what I have done so far. Also, before h3 and paragraph, I want an horizontal rule. That's an HR tag. That's a line, a simple line, and I'm going to make just a simple note here, a comment that says the HR tag is the tag used to elegantly separate elements on the website. Let's see if the MDN agrees with us. We've got to put the HR here, and the thematic break horizontal rule element is right here. It says everything, and you can also align it, no shade it, or size it, or maybe you want it to have a width. For right now, just follow me on this. You see how it's a shade, a grayish line below it. Let's make HR, and after it say no shade, then click save. See what happens? It's stronger and there is no grayish line below it. Now, right below this paragraph, I want to need another HR tag, no shade, because I want to really separate things here for this tutorial. And let's say I have a paragraph tag, and in this paragraph tag there is only one way, from what I know, to make a paragraph or text bold, and that's it, with a strong tag. Now the strong tag is really for just making a simple bold text. So let's say this is a bold text. It's simple and bold, but there are two ways to make a text italic. That's the first way, the simple E tag. That's the italic text. And the other way is by adding the EM tag. It's doing the exactly same thing, but you should write with what makes you more comfortable. For me, that's the EM tag. And below it, I want another HR no shade, just to really make things pretty and categorized. And now let's make two lists. The first list could be used to explain about hobbies. That's the unordered list, for example. That's for, let's say, hobbies. In it you have the li tag where you add the elements. So I have element 1, I have element 2, and I also want to have element 3. I'm going to copy these 3 tags because I'm going to use them for the ordered list as well. Now the ordered list, you can use it for, let's say you want a shopping list that's ordered, or maybe you want to categorize what's in your kitchen. And when you click save, that's how it looks. I accidentally typed a G here. I'm going to correct that. The ordered list is the numbered list, and the unordered list is the bullet point list. Now, how do you add an image? I'm going to go the easy way and add an image with the image tag from a folder. So I'm just gonna type here image.png, and the alt would be official logo. And there is the image, and that would be it for this lesson. I will see you in the next one.